Hello guys, my name is Rinki Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Rinki. In this video, I would like to talk about passive series. So earlier it was like previous video, I talked about present indefinite passive. Now I am just going to talk about present continuous passive. Yes guys, as we know that passive is all about work is being done or work is going to be done. It's not as we just can find there any doer. So in passive we know that doer is always absent there. So in present continuous, how we can make our present continuous passive? So as we know that present continuous active, we have to make वो जा रही है, she is going. So now we can see the doer is here, she is a doer. Ram, again and again taking this name, it's like very weird. Okay, so I'm just going to change this name. Okay, whatever. Okay, Manish. Manish is going to take his breakfast. So Manish is like a doer here. So we know that Manish is going to do something and he is doing something. So this is called present continuous tense. But sometime we have to speak only the work is being done, work is going to be done, or something like work. It's all about related to the work. So if I have to talk about that, जैसे मैं एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे अगर मैं बोलूँ तो अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि पौधों को लगाया जा रहा है, so we can see there is no any doer. So how we can speak in passive? We have to speak plants are being planted. Plants are being planted. Yes guys, we can't use here was, were or is, am, are. Okay, so we have to use plants are being planted here. Plants are being planted here. So and after being we have to put there the verb third form. Yes guys, so this is the rule of present continuous passive. So guys, let me know about that. If you have to make some examples, how could you make like this? So for example, I would like to tell you some examples. If I talk about चाय बनाई जा रही है, that means work is going, right now its work is going on. So how we have to speak about that? The tea is being prepared. The tea is being prepared. Yes guys, we, because it's a passive, so we can't use is, am, are. We have to use being plus verb third form. So these are the rules, and you can make lot of sentences. So guys, you can say like whatever comes in your mind, you can make like this kind of sentences. Okay, so if I talk about बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है, so how we have to speak about? Kids are being taught. Kids are being taught. So by using this formula, you can do a lot of practice. So guys, we know that tenses are very important, but passive is also very important. Yes guys, sometimes we have to tackle with that situation, and we started we started make shifting, means we started saying something which is like we can say like jugaad. We have to speak like that. Okay, so you should not do this kind of things. Just learn correct grammar and then you should try to speak about that, because it's very useless saying that grammar is not important, you should learn, you should not force yourself to learn grammar. How could you say like that? It's very very important guys. Without grammar, how this is possible that you are going to be a good speaker? So it's simply impossible. I don't feel like the same, So I feel that if you have to speak a good English, you have to at least have knowledge about grammar. So that you, yeah, little bit mistake, it's tolerable, it's like bearable or something, because we are not born with this language. So it's like tolerable, and we can say it's not our language, so we are supposed to make some mistakes, but it's simply impossible if you don't have grammar knowledge and you're just going to have a conversation. It's simply impossible guys, I'm telling you. Yes, you can speak broken English, but if you expect that I should speak a better English, then you need to speak about grammar, because without grammar your words and your sentences is going to give another meaning. I'm telling you. If you want to speak that मैं जा रहा हूँ and you say like I go, so it's like deeper from each other. I'm telling you, the tenses are changed. Nobody knows about, and nobody can get you properly what you want to speak about, what you want to speak about in front of anyone. So these are the things. It's very important, guys. Okay, so don't think that grammar is not important. We should not give a much more and more importance to the grammar. It's totally wrong, guys. I'm telling you. So for grammar, at least you have to learn something, and at least you have to have some grammar knowledge, basics knowledge, So you have to have this knowledge. So for this, how can you learn this kind of things? You can learn if you don't want to go to any institute, or if you don't want to join anywhere, so you can learn from YouTube. There are a lot of sites you can learn from there, but I just request you, don't speak wrong English. Okay, at first learn better and try to speak better. Okay, so when you learn something, you should not wait for that I will have all the things only then I can speak. It's not like that. When you learn something, just try to apply those in your conversation. I'm definitely sure that I'm 110% sure about that you are just going to speak better English. Yes, guys, this is the funda. You have to grab this. I'm telling you. And guys, let me know about that. What do you do for this language? Do you do something else, or do you do practice? And which kind of tool have you applied when you speak in English? So let me know in the comment box, because I actually want to know what people wants to do and what they are just doing right now. Okay, so how I learned, I'm just sharing here. And guys, let me know one thing, that if you really want to join my spoken English classes only for the beginners, guys, so you can join and you can do comment here. So guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that don't think that I should not make any mistake. I'm not supposed to make any mistake. Why? Because it's not our language. You should feel proud that I know my my own language, Hindi. We know that properly. Everybody knows about that. So we should feel we should be proud for that yes, I am good in my language, but it's like another language, and I'm not born with this language. I born with my mother tongue, so I am good on it. It's very good thing, so I should not feel ashamed about that I'm not getting this language properly, and people are going to find out a lot of mistakes. So let them do their work. You just focus on your study. So guys, these are the things I wanted to share all of you. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button, guys. It's mean a lot for me. And let me know if you want to say something. You can do comment and let me know in the comment box, did you like this video or not. So guys, all about is this video, and in the next video I'll definitely come with another things. So guys, please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button, guys. Thank you, guys.